Hello and welcome to this video on Azure Fundamentals. In this video, we will provide an overview of the basics of Microsoft Azure, the cloud computing platform that provides a range of services and features for building, deploying, and managing applications and services. First, let's talk about what Azure is. Azure is a cloud computing platform that allows you to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through a global network of data centers. It offers a wide range of services, such as virtual machines, storage, databases, and networking, to name a few. One of the key benefits of Azure is its scalability. You can quickly and easily scale up or down your resources as needed, which allows you to be more responsive to changes in demand. Another benefit of Azure is its flexibility. It allows you to use a wide range of programming languages and tools to develop and deploy your applications and services, and you can choose from a variety of deployment models, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Now, let's talk about some of the key concepts and components of Azure. First, there is the Azure portal, which is the primary web-based management interface for Azure. From here, you can manage your resources, monitor your usage and performance, and configure your services. Next, there is Azure Resource Manager, which is a management layer that provides a consistent way to deploy and manage resources across multiple Azure services. It allows you to group related resources into logical units for easier management and provides a set of tools for managing those resources. Another key component of Azure is virtual machines, which allow you to run Windows or Linux operating systems on a virtual machine in the cloud. This is useful for running applications that require specific operating systems or software, or for testing and development purposes. There is also Azure Storage, which is a cloud-based storage solution that provides a range of options for storing and accessing data, including blob storage for unstructured data, file storage for SMB-based file sharing, and table storage for NoSQL-style data. Finally, there is Azure SQL Database, which is a cloud-based relational database service that provides a fully managed database solution, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than the underlying infrastructure. So, that's a brief overview of Azure Fundamentals. We have covered what Azure is, its benefits, and some of the key components and concepts. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the Azure documentation and training resources. Thanks for watching.